Hello and welcome. Before we begin the affirmations, let me tell you a story. There was once a traveler who set out on a long journey to find a legendary oasis, a place said to bring peace, healing, and renewal. He walked through vast deserts, climbed steep mountains, and crossed endless valleys. Some days were easy, with cool breezes and clear paths. Other days were harsh, with scorching heat and relentless storms. But he never turned back. He trusted that the journey itself was shaping him, strengthening him, and preparing him for the moment he would finally reach his destination. One night, exhausted and unsure of how much further he had to go, he sat beneath the stars. As he looked up, he realized something profound. The stars had been guiding him all along. The journey wasn't just about reaching the oasis. It was about who he had become along the way. With this realization, he felt a deep sense of peace wash over him. He closed his eyes, knowing that he was exactly where he needed to be. Like the traveler, your journey is unfolding perfectly. Every experience, every challenge, and every moment of growth is leading you towards something greater. And now it is time to rest, recharge, and trust that everything is working in your favor. Let's align our minds and bodies with peace as we step into tonight's affirmations. I release all stress and tension from today. My mind is calm and my heart is at peace. I let go of any worries, knowing that everything is unfolding as it should. I am grateful for all the lessons and growth today has brought me. I embrace the stillness of the night and allow my body to fully relax. Sleep restores and heals me. I trust my body's ability to rejuvenate itself. I am safe, I am loved, and I am at peace. I allow my thoughts to drift away like clouds, making space for deep rest. Tomorrow is filled with endless possibilities, and I welcome them with an open heart. I am proud of myself and everything I have accomplished today. I am free from past regrets and future anxieties. I live in this moment of pure peace. My body is deeply relaxed, and every breath I take fills me with tranquility. As I close my eyes, I enter a space of deep healing and restoration. I trust that the universe is working in my favor, even as I sleep. I welcome deep, uninterrupted sleep, knowing I am supported and protected. I am at peace with myself and with the world around me. My heart is filled with gratitude, and my dreams are filled with positivity. I embrace rest as an essential part of my growth and success. I surrender to the comfort of this moment, allowing sleep to embrace me. I release all fears and doubts, making space for love and trust. My dreams guide me toward clarity, inspiration, and wisdom. As I sleep, my subconscious mind aligns with abundance and success. I wake up each morning feeling refreshed, energized, and ready for new opportunities. I trust the timing of my life and embrace each day with confidence. Everything I desire is already making its way to me, effortlessly and naturally. My sleep is deep, my dreams are peaceful, and my soul is at ease. Tonight I rest, knowing that I am exactly where I need to be. As this session comes to an end, remember that rest is not just an act of stillness. It is an act of self-care, of trust, and of preparation for the greatness that awaits you. You are worthy of peace, success, and happiness. And each night you allow yourself to recharge, you step closer to your highest potential. Thank you for sharing this moment with me. If you found these affirmations powerful, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you a peaceful night and beautiful dreams.